Hello everyone, and welcome back to Bike Update, your go-to channel for the latest news and updates from the world of cars and bikes. Today, we're talking about a name that's been a legend for decades, the Suzuki Mehran. Rumors say a new 2026 model is coming, but is it real? And will it launch in India? Let's find out. Background: the legacy of Mehran. The Suzuki Mehran has a long history, especially in Pakistan and South Asia. Produced from 1988 to 2019, it became famous for being simple, affordable, and easy to maintain. It wasn't luxurious, but it was reliable, a true people's car. After production ended in 2019, fans have been asking the same question: will the Mehran ever come back? Rumors and leaks, the 2026 buzz. In late 2025, social media was flooded with images and leaks claiming to show the new 2026 Suzuki Mehran. The pictures looked modern and exciting, but here's the truth. So far, Suzuki has not officially confirmed any such model. Many of those images were likely AI-generated or fan-made renders, not real prototypes. Still, the rumor caught fire online, especially among nostalgic Mehran fans. Speculative features, if it ever returns. If Suzuki ever decides to bring the Mehran back, here's what auto experts think it might include. A small 1.0-liter fuel-injected engine instead of the old carbureted one. Sharper headlights, a modern front grille, and a cleaner hatchback design. Basic safety upgrades like airbags and ABS. A digital instrument cluster and better interior materials. A starting price possibly around PKR 7.5 lakh in Pakistan, if it ever becomes reality. But remember, these are just speculations, not confirmed details. India launch, the real situation. Now let's talk about India. Will the Suzuki Mehran launch there in 2026? As of now, Maruti Suzuki India has made no announcements about any Mehran model. There are no leaks, patents, or production hints. Maruti already has affordable cars like the Alto, Espresso, and Celerio. So bringing back the old Mehran name doesn't make much business sense. Simply put, there's no sign of a 2026 Mehran launch in India. Challenges ahead. Even if Suzuki plans to revive the Mehran someday, it faces several challenges. Meeting modern emission and safety standards. Competing with today's budget cars that offer features like touchscreens, airbags, and digital meters. And balancing nostalgia with modern expectations. The Mehran name carries history, but today's buyers expect much more. Outro, conclusion and channel sign-off. So, for now, the 2026 Suzuki Mehran remains just a rumor, not a confirmed project. But the idea of reviving a classic car with a modern twist is exciting, and we'll keep an eye on it. If Suzuki makes any official move, you'll hear it first right here on Bike Update. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more automotive updates.